Folks, this video tutorial how to unlock battery. You can use pick, so I'll show you. In this lock, as you can see, there is two pins, one on this side and one on this side. We will going to insert this one and we'll pry one, then another one. First one we will pry one side, so you basically squeeze this in and push it slightly with finger like this, and touch the pins, push them down a little bit. Next thing is to insert another way, and we'll do another side like so. You might have to do it again on the other side. Slightly lift and push it gently. Now we'll do it one more time on this side. And again, if it doesn't work, you can do it again and again. There we go. It's all the way open. Take what? 3 minutes. And we was opening Saunders battery with this part number. Using just self-made tools from pipe clamps. Thanks for watching.